On August 5th, 2026, the US government's top cybersecurity agency issued an emergency mandate directed at federal agencies running IBM's Langflow platform. The directive gave IT teams a stark ultimatum: apply a critical security patch within 48 hours or permanently disconnect the software from the network. An AI agent is wired deeply into internal databases and cloud environments, but the system's entry point faces the public internet. By default, platforms like Langflow shipped with auto login enabled, allowing any network caller to gain access without a password. Because many teams viewed these platforms as experimental sandboxes, they introduced unguarded enterprise risks directly into the center of their production networks. The orchestrator is a central hub. It holds the API keys, database credentials, and system tokens required to communicate with corporate assets. Critical flaws like CVE 226-9198 in Langflow and the 10.0 severity CVE 226 by 5 times 46 in Rooflow left these hubs exposed to unauthenticated users. An attacker exploits this by sending a simple HTTP request to the orchestrator. The default configuration issues a superuser token, bypassing network authentication. Using that token, the attacker forces the platform to execute arbitrary Python code, resulting in total ownership of the underlying system. A breach here is devastating. Controlling the orchestrator gives attackers the exact same access to databases and cloud services as the AI agent itself. Scanning telemetry confirms these exploit chains have moved into large-scale automated weaponization across the public web. The Nadmesh botnet operates as an autonomous system, continuously scanning internet addresses to hunt specifically for exposed AI services and harvest their credentials. Simultaneously, the threat actor Jade Puffer is using these unauthenticated exposures to deploy specialized ransomware. This payload is specifically coded to encrypt and lock machine learning model checkpoints and the training datasets used to build them. When automated attacks destroy AI models or extract critical service credentials, they jeopardize the entire connected enterprise. Beyond the technical impact, organizations with exposed AI infrastructure now face immediate regulatory consequences. The European Union's AI Act entered into force on July 31, 2026, establishing a new regulatory office in Brussels with the power to investigate companies and issue severe financial penalties. The law's jurisdiction is broad. An AI lab with no physical presence in Europe can be fined or shut out of the market if their exposed systems reach European users. Under this enforcement regime, an orchestrator connecting to a network is legally classified as critical infrastructure. The period of unregulated internal experimentation is over. Securing agentic workflows and auditing model context protocol integrations requires specialized architectural knowledge that traditional enterprise IT teams often lack. CryptoMinds Technologies is a specialized security firm built specifically to defend AI orchestration platforms and their underlying infrastructure. CryptoMinds audits the internal AI layers, identifies unauthenticated exposures, and secures the credentials that provide access to your production data. Partner with CryptoMinds Technologies to secure your agentic AI infrastructure today before an automated botnet finds your open front door.